Another deadly gang wreaking havoc in St. Catherine. This time it's the Umbrella Gang operating in Newlands and Nagohead. While 10 members of the gang are currently before the courts, the police say the rise in gang violence in the division continues to hinder crime fighting. Kelisha Williams has that story.
From Nagohead to Newlands, Gregory Park to Greater Portmore, gangs have been causing mayhem in the St. Catherine South Police Division since the start of the year. In fact, the police say 70% of the murders in the division have been attributed to gangs.
The killing of 4 females in the division since the start of the year has created much fear among one of our most vulnerable groups. But I want to report that for 3 of the 4 murders, we have arrested and charged the main suspects involved.
It comes as the St. Catherine South Police Division opened its proactive investigation unit at the Greater Portmore Police Station today. Commanding officer for the division, SSP Christopher Phillips, says in Newlands and Nagohead alone, the rise in crime has been linked to the Umbrella Gang.
We have arrested and charged 10 members of the Umbrella Gang between the 18th of January and the 25th of February this year for being a part of a criminal organization and facilitating serious offenses by a criminal organization, among other charges. As part of the Umbrella Gang that operate within the St. Catherine South Division.
We were told the Umbrella Gang has been eluding the police for some time now, despite several interventions, which is why SSP Phillips is breathing a sigh of relief that the police finally managed to bring some of the gang members before the courts.
These men participated in several cases of criminal activities which involve murders, shootings, extortion, robberies, and other illegal activities. This matter was mentioned at the St. Catherine Parish Court on Friday, February 25th, this year at 10 a.m. A new date was set for sometime in March. All the accused were remanded.
As for the other members of the Umbrella Gang and other criminal networks within the division, the police are intensifying measures to nab them. In the meantime, SSP Phillips is urging other members of the criminal underworld to surrender. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.